Today I'm here with my navigator Ulrich.
Hello everyone, I'm Tom's navigator for today.
Cool. Cool. So gonna look at chapter 4 of Java, how objects behave. So let's jump into it. So objects behave by using their methods to act on their internal state or in instance variables. So their behavior is defined by what they do, methods. So whenever a method is called, it basically changes variables within another object. So the behavior is defined by what they do, and the state is defined by what they know, which is the data stored in the variable. So when you call a method, it can change the object state, return a result by using the return method, or interact with other objects, all while keeping its internal workings encapsulated. So encapsulation is basically working with getters and setters. So a getter and a setter are special methods in programming that help you access and change the values of private variables in a class. So that's basically in relation to using methods to change the internal state of an object. So getter is a method used to get or read the value of a private variable, whereas a setter is a method used to set or update or change the value of a private variable. We use them because variables in a class are often made private, hidden from outside, for encapsulation. So in order for encapsulation to take place, the variable has to be private. So yeah, let's have a look at how that works in our code. So over here I have a basic small program here. So it's basically a clock, and I'm basically getting and setting time from a clock. So over here I have this class clock. Within it I have a string variable called time. I have two methods. First method is set time, second method is get time. So set time method is basically a setter, just like I explained here. So a setter is a method used to set or update or change the value of a private variable. So that's what a set time method does. It's basically a setter. What it's doing is basically setting the time of this method, of this variable, essentially. So it assigns it this value over here. Then get time is returning the time from the clock. So in this class, I have a main method. This main method is basically, it firstly has an object named clock and a reference variable c. So the reference variable from this object, we're going to use it to basically call the setTime method, which is the method declared here. So it's that setter setting the time. So it's setting the state of data in the time variable. So we set the time to 07:30 over here, and we're able to do that because we're passing this as an argument to this to basically this parameter, which is a string t, and that is saved in time variable. So whatever is declared here as an argument will get saved here in this parameter, and that gets saved in this variable, and now this becomes the time that we're setting in our set time method. Then over here, I'm calling the get time method using this reference variable. It is gonna get the time that was set before. So this method runs and it returns the time, and that gets saved in this variable TOD, right? So because I got the time and I saved it into this variable, I can use system.out.println to print the time, right? By passing that variable here by this string. And when I do that, I then get the time 7:30. So that's able to be done because I have these two methods, set time and get time, as setters and getters, and I'm calling them within this main method, but I call them using the reference variables in this object, and then it sets the time and it gets the time that was set. So yeah, that's basically a summary of chapter 4.